पहाड़ों के बीच बसा हुआ एक सुंदर शहर देहरादून, जो कि अपने वेदर, अपने हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट और नेचर के लिए मशहूर है। लेकिन क्या आपको ये पता है देहरादून एक और चीज़ के लिए मशहूर है, जो है एजुकेशन। देहरादून में कुछ ऐसे ही 100-200 साल पुराने और प्रसिद्ध स्कूल जैसे द दून स्कूल, द वेलम बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स स्कूल। तो चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं कुछ ऐसे ही स्कूल्स की जर्नी में। आपको सबसे पहले लेके चलते हैं द दून स्कूल में, विच वॉज established in 1935. The Doon School is one of the finest school in India. And if we talk about co-curricular activities, the activities are compulsory in the school like chess, astronomy and sculpture. सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन सब पेरेंट्स का ये रहता है कि इस फाइनेस्ट स्कूल में कैसे एडमिशन लिया जाए। तो नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एडमिशन प्रोसेस ऑफ द दून स्कूल। सबसे पहले आपको एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है, जिसकी फ़ीस अलग अलग ईयर्स के अकॉर्डिंग डिवाइडेड है। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप 3 साल पहले उस स्कूल में अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कराते हैं तो उसकी फ़ी है 12,000 रुपीज़। अगर आप उसका एडमिशन 5 साल पहले कराते हैं तो उसकी फ़ी है 15,000 रुपीज़। जितनी जल्दी आप उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन कराते हैं उतनी जल्दी आपको उसकी प्रेफरेंस मिलती है। एक रजिस्ट्रेशन फ़ी भरना ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपका एडमिशन वहाँ गारंटी हो ही गया है। उसके बाद आपके बच्चे को एक एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम और इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने के बाद उन 500 एप्लीकेशन में से 80 स्टूडेंट्स 7th क्लास के लिए और 14 स्टूडेंट 8th क्लास के लिए सिलेक्ट होते हैं। Big personality and well-known people are alumni of this school like Rahul Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi and Amitabh Bachchan. Now let's talk about the oldest school of Dehradun, which is Welham Boys and Girls School. Welham Boys School found in 1937 and Welham Girls School was found in 1957 by an English lady H.S. Oliphant. School also hold competitive events like dramatic, sports, photography and music. Sports include badminton, basketball, hockey, table tennis, karate and aerobics. The basketball has won numerous tournaments and represent Uttarakhand in a national level. Several students has been chosen for the Indian champion as well. अब आता है कर्नल ब्राउन कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल. The special sports activity offered in this school are gymnastics, martial art, table tennis and athletics. Also provide hobby classes like woodwork, painting, photography, art and music, which are held in the evening. They encourage love for nature amongst the student, and keeping this in mind, the student and including teachers go on a 5-day track during midterm break. And now let's talk about Tulas International School. Tulas International School provide clubs and society for music and dance. They also provide photography club and art club. This school's specialty is they provide a well-designed technical sound workstation for each subject. All the workstation have a state-of-the-art projection and an interactive whiteboard. Next is Asian School. Asian School provide a lot of co-curricular and sports activities like music, Kathak, dramatic, batik, karate, skating, tie and dye, clay modeling, poetry and also community services. They also organize a special course in rock climbing, horse riding and rifle shooting. Now is Shri Ram Senatorial School. This school specialty is they provide international exchange program for students. And if we talk about facility, they have amphitheater, dance center, music center and theatre studio. And in sports activity they provide judo, yoga and aerobic, squash and skating. Next is Shigali Hills. Shigali Hills is an all-girl boarding school which provide immense safe and security to all the students. Like they don't allow outsider after 5 p.m. and all the access provided to the girls are through the permission of parents and principal. All the girls are under 24/7 CCTV surveillance. And now the Dons Bridge. Dons Bridge have a lot of club like debate club, quiz club, science club and robotic clubs. They encourage students to learn, explore, and grow beyond the academics. All these activities provide a platform for a creativity, teamwork, and personal development. Now we have Vintage Hall Girls Residential School. The school have international basketball approved by FIBA and badminton approved by BWF. Squash approved by WSF and lawn tennis approved by ITF. They also have swimming pool with jacuzzi, shooting range and also have practice area for driving and pitching. ऐसे ही और स्कूल्स की जानकारी के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल ग्लोबल एड्यू कंसल्टिंग और जानकारी के लिए विजिट करिए हमारी वेबसाइट।